So guys, today in this video we will learn how you can fix the your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes error on Snapchat or iPhone users, because recently many users are getting this issue. Before solving this problem, it is very important to understand why this message appears. Basically friends, this error shows up when your Apple ID gets restricted due to billing issues, payment verification failure, refunds, or suspicious activity. That is why you are not able to install and update your Snapchat application. So let us know how you can solve this issue. First of all, friends, open your iPhone settings and tap on the Apple ID, and here you have to tap on media and purchases, and then view account and check if any billing issue is showing. So you have to update or fix your payment method. And friends, in our second method, simply you have to restart your iPhone and try again. And you can also try that simply sign out your Apple ID and then tap on restart and sign in again. This can also fix this issue. And lastly, open App Store, tap on your profile and check if any pending purchases or verification required message is showing. You have to complete it. And friends, also check that if Snapchat update is available in your App Store, you have to also update that. And friends, your issue will be resolved. And if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.